Hello guys, I'm Aharin Quiz to tell you in this tutorial permanently how do you unlock any Apple device that is locked to owners. Facing the problem is screen passcode, time screen passcode, mobile device management locks, or blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. It has been the traps then. What's a best remedy at your home without reaching at any mobile shops? How do you unlock it? And it's totally safe and permanent method. No jailbreak is required. How do I? First and foremost, guys, we know that there are two security. One is a Apple database, second is a cloud database. So we will disconnect the data cable. Yes, we will connect a data cable. Let's access the data by virtue of iTunes. So when it's connecting by virtue of iTunes, then see here, it will detect that what is the problems. Yes, here is a since the activation problem means this device was lost and erase, see here, erase, enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So what we can, first and foremost, yes, we will connect a 3U tool. We will come in especially here crash analysis options, and here we will have to go the inside and we will have to delete. Why we need to delete these things? Yes, in a Apple database server, we will have to remove everything. There will be no retaining data, no chances to link to an Apple ID. So fine. Now we have it deleted. Now second things that we will have to go for real-time log, guys. So let it open real-time logs. Let's clear 4-5 times at least we will have to clear, and then we will have to make it after clearing. So recently any activation that will be especially activity that will be clear and make it pass. Once again we will clear. Then once again we will come on a backs, and yes, we will click on OK, we will go for cancels, and now we have especially another tool that is iMazing PC. I have been unlocking multiple devices in a day, guys. Today this device is the came to my soap store remove permanently. Let's see, we will check it out, especially after unlocking this device. We will also check it out the SIM card is functioning or not. If the SIM card will be a functioning, that's okay. If it is not, then also that thing I will show you. How do you remove permanent layer? This, how do you especially remove SIM unvalid or network carrier logs? Everything's just in front of you guys. And it's totally live. Yes, anything is going to confuse you, then raise the query below the comment box, guys. It's a live, so no need to reach at any mobile shops. You can do it at your home yourself. Now see, this iMazing PC just thinks that there is an activation issues, of course, was lost. So these things similar is coming here. We will cancel, we will go the inside out because this is the iPhone X. So device console, and here at least 20 times we will have to clear. So now see 3, 4, 5. Now we can see 7, 8, 9. Now it has recommended. Once again we will clear. Let it just we will go for now the once again at least 20 times make it pass, and of course we will clear it. So now almost white screen is inside of that. Let it accumulate, and now just we will come on a here, just see, we will come on a 3U tool, we will come on a smart flash. Let's say especially come on a especially refresh option. Now we have options too, that is a yes, either we can download or we can import. Now it has detected, and upon of course we will come on a once again iMazing PC. So where is a especially, I mean the console, here it is. Of course we will back and we will click on here, we will go for resume and let's clear. So now see here, yes, now almost white screens is coming. There is no space. Why this is essential to the console clear? Whatever data is inside of the cloud database, of course we are trying to clear by especially console clearing. Here we will prefer to import because we don't have a much more time, guys, here. So simply we will import this version. This version is a similar way that I would like to show you that I had downloaded. This can be downloaded from many website. I will show you. Yes, by itself a 3U tool you can especially download this IPSW, no problem at all. Now we will come on here that let's see IPSW here. I kept this ones, let it, don't worry, it will disturb you so many times that clear the console. Fine, let me cancel it, and then of course we will come on here. Here is especially not, so we will come on here. Yes, we will come on here, and here is also IPSW. We will check it out, and yes, similar version we would like to. So now 10 points, especially we can see here 60. This one we will approach 10 point. Actually, see 6 and similar, that is the last one 60. So here we can now we will check it out backs and let it import very well. Now here is importing, so let me cancels and these things. Now almost 21% we have done. Let's come on a, yes, we will click on a here, show device control. It's a little bit, it will hang to you. So RAM should be especially more than 8 GB or your of your computer, guys, otherwise we will have the problem. Let's close it because mistakenly I clicked on a check the warranty issue, that's why it happens. Don't worry, that's going to again and again screen off of this. Yes, we will back and check it out. Yeah, now almost done, guys. Here, don't worry, 89% is we can see, sorry, 96, 97, 98, 99 successfully imported. Here we will have to pick this quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, don't select special anti-recovery. Retain user data means there will be no benefits to especially. So now we will come on especially here, toolbox to rec mode, hit this one, and of course let it cancels these things. And now we can see this device has been released on a console or especially I'm in DFU mode. In DFU mode we can close it, and of course in show device console almost it has been cleared, so we can close this, no problem at all. We can close this. Now we will come on especially see this iTunes is the thing. Also we will close this iTunes not required hands. Now yes, we will come on here and quick flash mode I have already clicked, so just here don't select the fix these one only ones, and we will come on here and fix battery during the health. So if battery is draining also again and again in the midst of any iPhones, so just we will have to use this. So battery error, this will be also especially I am the fix. Now see it has started to especially gonna 18% is fine, it has been released on a, when it will cross more than 30%, then of course I hope that it has been accepted in a Apple data and cloud database server, guys. So now see it has been released on a 34%, means I think it's going to accept in a cloud data and Apple database server. That now we will wait here till the end of this tutorial. 2-3 guys crucial step that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. Without touching on this device I will show you that. See, one thing more, during the flashings your device may restart multiple times and it will come in a descending order, ascending order in the both times, no problem at all. So don't worry, it's totally dependent on the cloud data and Apple database, guys. So now once again we have raised on a 16%. Let's see, it will go definitely because it has accepted, that's why it was restart it once again. And so once again I repeat, during the flashing the process your device may restart multiple times, so please don't unplug the device, guys. Now we have reached on 34% and it has started to come on here. You will have to wait 5 to 10 minutes here to the complete whole procedure. It's totally free. At your home you can apply a similar strategy and you will see the result. Yes, easily. Now no editing, no anything, and directly this would be uploaded on this particular channels, and this is only for education purpose as institutions. Yes, don't misuse these tracks on any, especially, yes, lost or stolen device, especially because of course you can apply as an education purpose, you can, but don't as a commercial purpose you can use these tutorials. Now, yes, we are waiting on a 34%. Don't worry, don't look on here. Sometimes it will create you confusions that it is still rolling on a SVSLAM 34% and then writing the file system, and here more than 30%. Look at on physical extents of that. This is especially 10x series, but of course XR below, especially below 11 you can apply this strategy. And on a SPSLAM 26, iOS 26 beta 3, 26.0 beta 3, especially if you having especially above the 10 accessories, then of course a little bit difference the processor, but of course a similar almost you will have to execute. So now we are on a here on a 34%, and it's coming now almost the 50%. We are going to complete. See, let it complete 100%. If any error will come in the midst of it, then of course we will put. See, your device, suppose after doing that everything it has been stuck on a similar position, then up volumes lift, down volume lift, keep holding there till it's not going DFU mode, on off especially. Keep holding after leaving both buttons. Up volumes leave it, down volumes leave it, then keep holding these ones till it's not going DFU or recovery mode, and all the tool will be detectable then. Otherwise if it will stuck on here, then no one tool will be SVSLAM applicable. So that's why, guys. And IPSW, this can be downloaded from www.3u.coms, ipsw.coms, ipsw.beta.coms. So there are so many websites on itself. Apple also you can download. So almost now see here we are waiting on 34%, but look at on SVSLAM, the 50% is we have completed, guys. So don't worry, directly it will jump according to the server, of course. But when we have the cross the 55%, means almost in a cloud database we have a completed. Yes, unlocked. Now Apple database is going to unlock. So let's see. Yes, without touching on this device, we will transfer the new Apple ID and password by virtue of especially iTunes. So no need to operate to initiate logging our as Windows while the processing new one device or the second hand. When we are going to SVSLAM the operate as a manually of this device or a manual of this device, then it is asking the initial Apple ID and the sector. Everything will be not required, guys. Directly we will go in the inside of it. So how it is possible, I will show you. Almost we have done 50% is completed, so you will have to wait. I will take a scarcely 5 minutes more, of course 5 to 7 minutes, and this, yes, will be completed. And any confusion, any query, then of course drop the query in the comments box. We will pick, and of course in course of time I will reply. And don't blame so that it's not going to be functional, because yes, watch carefully step by step, and then because this is on a particular some of the device, there is also separate problem and difference problem. So that's problem you cannot apply on this similar method especially that if we do and this can be addressed. So you will have to explain the problem according to your problem issues. Of course, we will reply to you. Now, one, two, three actually precaution that we would like to tell you here. Use a original data cable. Fines. Second things that you should have a second internet connection also, because sometimes at the end of I will show you that there will be a required if any error will comes then. And third things that data should be sufficient, because if internet connection is a weak, then it will not work. 3u tool will give you error, guys, because 3u tool is only one functioning on the basis of Apple data and cloud data. Is recommending to confess the data. That's why if internet connection, if we disconnect, then it will give errors. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying it. Now almost 80% we have completed, guys, almost there. Now this is the second iPhone, so today actually I unlocked, so we will see further. Now see here, it's the sending base WAN data, so definitely it will be. And third things that firstly collect all the requirement tools spontaneously IPSW or iOS. And if it is not visible properly, then of course you can raise the query or watch carefully, so that of course you will be able to. Now almost see on here that almost on especially more than 80% we have completed, but it is still taking time on 81%. Don't worry. We'll have to wait here, guys. So watch till the end of these tutorials, because at the end of these tutorials we have a 2-3 clue tricks that is very mandatory to execute on accurate times, on specific times, on certain time, guys. So we'll have to wait here. It is still the waiting and selling the system volume, so no problem at all, according to the requirement of times. Now see, directly it has been, of course, saying the congratulations on battery issues as well as fixing issues. Everything has been fixed, means either it is stuck on any kind of especially security. Everything has been fixed. Now how could I confirm so that it has been fixed here? Let's wait for batch activation. Here, see, batch activation. It would be highlighted. When it will be highlighted, then we will skip the setting of the region, language, everything, Wi-Fi locations, Face ID, Touch ID, of course, Apple security of the cloud database security, that is lock to owner or screen passcode, everything. So guys, so it has been highlighted. So can I add? Of course, here we will have to select on the select option, see, and we will go for start here. So now see, it has started to initiate and they are also activating and they're skipping the whole setup. So we will have to wait here. We'll have to wait till the end of this tutorials. Almost, yes, it will takes 2 to 5 minutes, guys. And if it is not going to function, then it will give you error in there. At that times we'll have to change the internet connection. Once again we will have to apply this, that start after selection of these things. And third things, however error is coming, then yes, you will have to use the virtual private networks to customize the precise location. How would I customize the precise location? I will show you if error will comes here then. Now see here why it's essential to customize the precise locations to have the good configuration. Either it is coming from the cloud database server and Apple database server. So here this device suppose basically was sold in Hong Kong. You will have to create your IP address of your computer that we are operating this device from the Hong Kong, and of course then now see it has been, yes, disconnected, and now see here almost we have done here. Now see, this is just showing a little bit errors. Now it's connecting, disconnecting the once again. See here, now activation is shines giving, of course same. Now once again it's connecting and disconnecting, maybe especially data cable. I have already mentioned to you, you will have to especially have this. Now we will go for setup escapes in this ones, and then let's see, hit this one. So it's going to fail. So maybe especially we will select here, and once again let's click on a deactivation steps. Why its data cable is having error, guys? See, in the midst of, I don't know, it's blinking again and again. Maybe any other reasons. We will come on here. Once again we will select, and we will hit this ones, hit this ones. So it's going to fail. Fines. Now you'll have to just see here, I don't know, that's why I have already mentioned to you, data cable is having a speech lamp. Let's click on a speech lamp deactivation process. So now we'll go for here this ones. Yes, we will wait here. Now we will have to wait especially 5 4 3 2 1 seconds. Now it will be highlighted, and hit this ones. Now we will back here, and let me especially I'm here, click on this batch activation. Once again we will select these ones, and now here activation was already done, so we will execute these only ones. Can I deselect, and of course directly picks these ones, files, and both is selecting. So let's execute together. Now here we will have to select the country and the language. So now gone. Now see here, guys, not required anything. So let's confirm by virtue of iTunes. After accessing a data, what's the message is saying here? Let it access the proper data. Now we will insert the SIM card, and we will check it out. Now it's welcoming files. We'll come in a spatially shining. We'll go on here. Let's create new Apple ID password. Why I'm telling you, because it is asking here that see carrier setting update. I have already mentioned to you. Now here is a given, especially clue. So if I click on here, not now, and if I go the inside of this particular this device, now it's asking that there is no internet connection. What you say, guys? Here there is no internet connection. It's asking that connect to the internet to shine into your phone. So here, this is very crucial step that we would like to tell you here. See, so that's why let me here once again one thing more I would like to show you here. On clue, see here, let me have a proper clear. Now just we will go for face ID and screen passcode. Everything has been disabled. So of course this phone is permanently unlocked. Now we can create a new Apple ID and password on here. Insert the SIM card. If the SIM card is not functioning, then once again we will come on our virtual locations, and let's come on a true location. Let's reboot. So this device will be rebooted, and it will come on a genuine location of particular this device now. So safely play it, and now SIM card will be also functional. Carrier network error will be also resolved. Everything will be resolved. So insert the SIM card and safely use it. No need to create a especially by itself, especially Apple device. Directly we can transfer the new Apple ID and password. So write emails, password, confirm password, and accept term and condition, and go for continue. And when we go for continue, then of course there is problems. Directly this ID will be a yes a transfer on here, the sign into that. So it will not ask you the any internet connections. So guys, here Sometimes a data cable, try to use the original data cable. This is old one, that's why actually at the end of I faced a little bit problem, but finally it has been the resolved. So it happens sometimes on the particular of the device also, so don't worry. Now that we can close this and everything is in front of you guys, go in account and then go for shiny. This is all about. Further any inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query. Once again, I repeat that this is not by a jailbreak that if we restart then it will trap on especially once again iCloud activations. So that's why I'm saying you guys here. Use a similar strategy and apply. Any error will come and then raise the query below the comment box. So please would be managed to reply your query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye. How do you like this tutorial? Leave the feedback below the comment box. Your feedback is very essential and crucial for me to make it such as informative tutorial or not. You all are the viewer are beneficiary of this tutorial or not. We can understand here. So that's why this is all about. Thank you very much indeed.